The warm weather is here, and if you're anything like me, you want lunches that are simple, cool, clean, and quick. So let's keep it simple and stop overthinking it and start eating meals that you actually look forward to on repeat. Hi, friends. I am so glad you're here. I am Deborah. And if you are over 50 or better, like me, then you already know that what you eat can definitely shift the way that you feel, especially in the summer. You guys, you already know how it is. If you eat something that is way too heavy, especially in this heat, you end up feeling like a beach whale, and nobody wants to feel that way. So today, I am sharing with you some of my absolute favorite summer lunch recipes that are light and energizing and fresh and high protein and so delicious that I keep them on repeat in my own kitchen. As a matter of fact, right now what I'm doing is I am meal prepping. This is at the beginning of a long weekend, and perfect time to go ahead and do some meal prepping so I can even stay on track with my diet even during a break from my job. So today right now I'm prepping some onions and some tomatoes. I've got some olives here because I am going to use, and then I've got some chicken I'm thawing over there because I'm going to use those ingredients, you guys. I'm going to do some high protein chicken wraps. I'm going to do a loaded Mediterranean chicken bowl, just to give you an example of the things that you can eat over the summer. And once again, absolute delicious, simple, easy, and you will definitely want to put them on repeat, even in your own household, and your entire family will love them. Now, here is what I look for in the perfect summer lunch. It's got to be light and satisfying. I already mentioned the reason why it's got to be light, because nobody wants to be all heavy and filled up and can't move. Okay, it's summertime. You want to enjoy that time of the year, right? Okay, exactly. And satisfying, which means that, yes, it needs to be satiating, okay? It needs to be filling, but not overfilling so you can't move. And then also, you guys, taste, okay? If it's not good, then you do not want to eat it. So make sure, okay, that your food is flavor packed as well, which is what you will find in the recipes that I'm going to be sharing with you today. High protein, okay, yeah, all about the muscle management. These are things that I am also learning as I am getting up there in age, just how important it is to have sufficient protein in your diet to manage these muscles, you guys. And also, protein is energizing. Another thing is you want to use fresh seasonal ingredients. And once again, if it's fresh, if it's seasonal, then it is going to taste good, because again, if it doesn't taste good, then you're not going to want to eat it. And another thing is, if it's seasonal, then that means that your diet is always evolving, so you don't get bored with what you eat. And then the last thing that is important to me is it needs to be easy to prep. And you guys, I mentioned that I'm in my 60s, right? Yeah. So time is a factor for me. It is very important. And I don't want to spend time unnecessarily doing things that I don't need to do. Meal prepping, okay, is very, very beneficial, and it is easy to do. Once again, because of the time factor, and also because it keeps us on track as far as our food is concerned. So guys, having said that, I'm going to go ahead and share with you recipe number 1, which is a high protein chicken wrap. Now, keep in mind that I've already premiered all of the recipes that I'm sharing with you today on my channel. So today I'm just going to show you the highlights, kind of like a digital recipe card, and then you will find the link to the full video in my description. Avocado oil, a single layer so that it cooks evenly. Some chicken, lettuce, tomato, And I love red onion. And roll. Thighs in, the bottom, up towards the front. Pull everything in towards you, just like that. And roll. And there you have it, you guys. I'm gonna make another one. Today, I am making a delicious chicken spinach wrap that is super nutritious, comes together in minutes, and uses ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Rice vinegar and some dried cilantro. Okay, that looks good. Sun-dried tomatoes. So guys, these recipes check all of the boxes of what I feel is the perfect summer lunch. So please do leave in the comments and let me know which of these recipes that you are going to incorporate into your summer menu planning. And if you like what you see here, then please do turn on that notification, because this video is the first of a series of videos I'm going to be putting together where I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite summer recipes, including desserts. So please don't forget to turn on that notification bell, and also please do the honor of subscribing to my channel. And as always, you guys, I want to thank you for stopping by, and remember, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I have this bottle here for a reason, as a reminder, you guys. Along with eating healthy, and moving your body through exercise, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. And a water bottle like this will definitely benefit you because it's going to keep you on track. It has different milestones, okay, to kind of like, encourage you along as far as drinking water. So you guys, whatever it takes to make sure that you drink the proper amount of water throughout the day is what you need to do, okay? Just a friendly reminder, because I am here to help you be better. So you guys, once again, thanks so much for stopping by and enjoy.